Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix profile views not showing on your TikTok account. So it's easy and simple, so let's get started. First thing, when you open your TikTok app, as we say, when you open your TikTok app like this, as we say, you open your TikTok like this. Then what you're going to do when you open your TikTok, you go to your profile icon down here. Then, for example, you want to see the profile icons or the profile views icons in your privacy and settings. You go to your settings and privacy like this. Then you scroll down. First thing, the profile icon is on the privacy. First thing, you go to your privacy and search for profile views. As you see, it's here. If you don't have this option, profile views, what you're going to do to recover it or to fix this problem? First thing you want to do is by going to your Play Store, then search for TikTok app like this. Then make sure if you have an update option here, click on it. Click on update here and wait until the updating is finished. Then what you're going to do, you go back to your TikTok app and search for it, search for the option. If it shows here, so your problem is fixed. If not, what you're going to do for the next step, go and clear your TikTok cache and data. Click on TikTok app, long click, then choose app info here. Then what you're going to do here, you go to storage usage, clear cache and clear the data. And make sure you go out from this option. Now, if the option profile views not showing again, what you're going to do for the last step, I will show you or I will teach you to do. Go to your three lines at the top right, then go to settings and privacy, then go until you find report a problem. Click on it like this. Wait. As you see here, it shows you this page. Here down at the down of your screen, click on submit a report. Now here what you're going to do, you will write a message to the TikTok supporter, tell him to fix your problem. So I will write the message, so I will back to you. As you see here, now we write a message. So we write the message, tell the supporter of TikTok to fix or to recover the option to help us to recover the profile views option. So the message is like this: Hi TikTok team, my TikTok profile views not showing on my account. Please help me to recover it very soon. Thanks team TikTok. And if you want to add a video or to add screenshot to your problem, please it's here. Click here and add any picture you want. Make sure the picture is located on your problem that you face. So when you finish, click on submit like this and wait for 24 days, 24 hours or 48 hours to receive a notification or a message telling you about your problem is fixed or not, and you will check again and again your problem is fixed or not by going to your privacy like this and check if the profile views is here or not. So this is how to fix profile views not showing on your account on TikTok. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching and see you next time.